All right, so here we are a couple days later. Everything's been restored. All that disintegrating, flaking, peeling, disappearing stain has been locked down and encapsulated. Check this out. So we just wrapped up with this today, and look at what the Kong Armor Lifetime Deck Armor System has done with this old weathered deck. We've brought it roaring back to life. Like I told you guys in the previous video, we came in here, we replaced these bad and rotten boards. So bad boards there. There were some non-pressure treated boards that were down here. We replaced those. And up here, getting ready to give you guys a little bit deeper of a shot. But up here, we had a bouncy, springy plank. We came in there and shored that up. It's solid as a rock now. Can't bounce on it, can't spring on it. Look at the beauty. Oh my goodness. Just look how beautiful the thick build, the ultra tough, the almighty, the industrial grade Kong Armor Lifetime Deck Armor System is in this custom color match. So this is a color that the customer picked out, and we matched it for them. Got about a 99.9% match on it. Just gorgeous. But I want to show you guys the superior protection that Kong delivers for old weathered decks like this, and the superior resurfacing power. Not only did we encapsulate their disintegrating flaking stain problem, but I want to show you guys that right there alone was worth the price of Kong. But I want to show you guys the superior resurfacing. So every single nail and screw hole that they have on this structure is completely filled in with industrial grade elastomer. That does a couple of really cool things. It stops what we call water entry into those nail and screw holes that causes rust and causes corrosion. That rust and corrosion in return causes board rot. So it arrests all that. It slows that down dramatically and makes it really, really hard for deck owners that have encapsulation for Kong to take on rotten boards. Now, here's the other thing. Every deck replaced in here, we replaced with 316 grade stainless steel, right? So our screws that we use, they're the most max resistant, corrosion resistant screws available for decks. We do that because we know for a fact that that's why deck owners end up with rotten boards, is that rust to rot cycle that I just explained. So any restoration that we do on deck systems here at Kong Armor, if we can, we use that 316 stainless steel. Now look in here. Look how beautiful this turned out. You guys remember this had peeling, disintegrating, flaking stain everywhere. All gone, all locked down, all now synthetic, beautiful, and composite, almost composite looking, right? That's what happens when you encapsulate your deck system in the industrial grade, in the Lifetime Deck Armor, Kong Armor. Look how beautiful. From a couple days ago, where we had this disintegrating, flaking stain everywhere, to what we got now. Wow, wow. Now look, you might see a little bit of effervescence on this system right now. That's our first in class UV blockers. The UV rays will come down and hit the film of Kong, and they'll deflect back up into the atmosphere where they belong. Now on this job, we just did the floor and the band boards. But look, first in class UV block, or not UV block, I'm sorry, I already talked about that. First in class splinter lock. So all the old weathered splinters and everything here are locked down and encapsulated. So it'll be very hard for somebody to get a splinter in their foot, any of that type of stuff, right? And then the high stretch ability of Kong as well. It's first in class when we talk about stretch for deck coatings. Up to 300% with unlimited contraction, which means it'll keep up with the movement of these planks. Look how beautiful. Look, all the fasten. I cannot stress enough the value of this. Most homeowners don't understand this. This is extreme value when we talk about resurfacing. But Kong can stretch and keep up with this plank as it expands. It can also contract. When the plank contracts, and that keeps up with movement, and what it does is it stops that popping and cracking and peeling that you guys get with thin residential deck paints and stains. Just drop dead gorgeous. Now we're also going to stay with these customers. They're going to get a lifetime limited warranty and a lifetime service promise, and we'll stay with them for life of ownership with locally backed service, support, and warranty for their lifetime deck armor system for as long as they own it. Let me show you. Look, just gorgeous, beautiful. Here's the service plaque. So they got a service plaque now. Our Gorilla, it's got our website, our phone number on it. Anytime they have problems with their new system, if they have any problems, we don't want them to, but if they do, right, we'll come out and we'll help them anytime, life of ownership, either via service, warranty, or support. They can even call us if they have questions, whatever, right? So they never have to completely paint, stain, or refinish their structure again. I'm just shocked at how beautiful this turned out. This color is just really, really gorgeous. I didn't expect it to be this gorgeous, and it really is. Tell you what, if you want to learn more about Klong Armor or schedule a free quotation, we service Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, and the greater Miami Valley area as well, which I believe we're in now if I'm not mistaken. But you can just visit klongarmor.com. You can learn plenty about our services, our lifetime deck armor system there. You can also schedule a free quotation at any time right from that website. I'm Anthony Ford from Morrow, Ohio, representing the world's toughest deck armor, Klong Armor. See ya.